quelqu'un me dise si le son est correct ou pas. Ok. So we are streaming. I'm gonna shut. What is that? Chrome up. Okay. For the stream, I have to put the game into window mode and then back into full screen to have it. I don't know if it's if you have an idea why, Eric. When I launched the game with OBS, I have a black screen on the streaming, and I have to put the game into window mode and then to full screen mode again to yeah. You know, I'm doing Alt Enter. Just done that, and we'll see it in on the stream in a few instants. Ah, let me check that. Let me check that. Yes, that's normal because I've tech webcam is closed. Okay, desktop audio. And now you should be able to hear yourself. Yes. Who just spoke on? We have a notification. Yes. Okay. It's
Yep, I can hear myself.
Okay, great. Aurélien is listening on the stream, so thank you, Aurélien. For our viewers, not sure there's a lot, but for our viewers, Aurélien can't join us on the game tonight. Stuck at first world job, so we are going to work without him tonight, and he's going to see the stream. For your information too, Damien is currently downloading the game from our server, and we should be able to start very soon. I haven't changed my Xbox controller, so I may have a few issues with it. They will be visible on the stream, I think, if I have issues with it, because we have a window. I'm gonna.
Okay, so let me try to connect.
Okay, I'm gonna try to connect too.
I shared the Team Kainotomia Twitch address with a friend.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That is working at Ubisoft.
Ah, great.
Nice.
I don't know if he is connected tonight, I hope. Or maybe another Monday. But,
yeah, but
he said that he will try to connect.
But anyway, he will be able to see the streams in replay mode.
Yeah, exactly.
They are available to be watched later on. So I'm connected, Eric. I've shut down the voice over IP of the game.
Okay.
Because we are
I believe I'm getting a network timeout. I might have tried to connect too early.
No, the server is on since something like 45 minutes.
Has the IP address changed or the port?
Maybe I'm the port 6666. I'm gonna check the IP address.
Okay, thanks. Because the one I'm currently using doesn't seem to work.
Okay, I'm gonna check that. Let me check that on the Mac. I have to switch the keyboards.
Ah, not fun.
Because it is a Mac.
Yeah, you should try working with
because
PC.
it's easier.
Might work better.
It's easier for me.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I think my IP address changed.
Ah.
Okay, so
Alright.
not here. I'm gonna send you, Eric, directly the IP address.
Thank you.
Did it change?
Yes.
Yeah.
That's not the same.
Yeah. Great.
Okay, thanks. Aurélien, I know you're listening to us, but I'm sending it to you on your Slack accounts too, so you have it in your...
So I am updating the settings file.
Okay, soon we won't need the settings. Right. So okay, Eric, I saw that you connected.
Yep. Now let's see if I can connect with two characters.
Yes, please.
And just a sec, I'll be right back. I need to get a cable for my controller.
Yeah, no problem.
You can also launch several instances. It's not a problem.
Let me think. We're gonna need a second hacker or I can't remember which one I was. Ah, yeah, I'm the technician. Ah, I took technician or the tiger. Which one is it again? The technician?
What do you mean?
The tiger.
Yes, it is a technician. Yes.
Okay, so maybe we're gonna need a second hacker
Mm-hmm.
and the acrobat. So and okay, we're gonna need a second hacker, the acrobat, and the manager. Yeah.
I can take the manager if you want. And
Yeah,
hacker or acrobat.
yeah. The
Manager and acrobat.
no,
I mean,
wait. The manager UI problem is not fixed yet.
Sorry.
Eric worked on it, but it's not fixed yet. So maybe it's better if it's Eric who is launching the manager from his Unity account directly.
I'm gonna give it a try.
Okay. You mean the issue with lateral?
The player's positions, yeah.
Player's position. Okay.
So maybe Aurélien, you can take. Oh, that's going to be a tough one for Eric. Maybe you should take the acrobat and a second hacker.
Yes, me. Damien? Me?
Yes, sorry, Damien.
No, not a problem. Okay, so taking a hacker 2 and acrobat.
Yes. Don't open the door yet, Eric, please.
Yep, no problem. So I've got a hacker 1, I believe.
Yes.
And I've got the manager working in the editor where no bugs happen.
Okay, great. So it's a bit easier. That's going to be tricky because Eric, you are going to need to help Damien into the maze.
Okay.
At the same time, you're going to open the hatches.
I can do that.
Yeah, and at the same time, you're going to Damien, you're going to need to open the lasers.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah, yeah. It would have been easier if I have. Yeah, it would have been easier if I was able to take a second character.
Wait until we have to try this with all the extra challenges.
Yeah.
It won't be quite possible.
Okay, so everyone is connected?
Yep.
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna check the. I can't open the. I don't have the.
No.
I don't have the.
Really?
the digicode. Okay.
No. It was working last time I sent the. What? Oh no. The last thing I tested.
Yeah. Eric, do you have the digicode?
Let me go check.
Oh no.
No, you don't.
Well, I don't have the prompt, but I have when you press B, it opens.
Ah, okay. It's only the button. Ah, okay. If you press B, it opens.
Whoa. Maybe it is on the other side. No.
I don't think so. Well, on the other side, I don't. Yes, actually, it is.
Okay, so bug one.
Somewhere.
Wait for it. I'm gonna write it. I'm gonna write the
Yeah,
ticket.
please.
I only see it
really
when
strange.
in the wall, I think.
Inside the wall. That's
Let
funny.
me see.
That's so
I'm
funny.
trying to figure out. If you move around, you'll see. It appears, but very in odd situations. Let's say.
Yes. It is similar to an issue we had before, but
Yes,
I cannot understand why it is.
it's moving from one side to the other because we had that. Yeah, I remember that.
Okay, it's not a big problem.
Oh,
but,
actually,
Yeah.
it appears.
Huh? I can see
It
it.
appears, but then immediately disappears, and it's a bit too far to the left.
Yes. Really strange. Okay. It's really funny because each time we have new kinds of bugs.
Yeah, but that's
No.
that's normal. Okay, I've added the bug. So
Okay.
can we play with the left? Yes, that's working. Okay, I'm trying it.
And for this one, I created a new controller map for specifically for this this challenge. This way we can work separately on challenges, including the controller maps.
Wait a sec. I'm focused. I'm trying to guess the digicode. So it's going
I found
to
it.
what is it?
5445.
Okay.
So I tested the method I'd written down, and indeed, eight turns to find it.
Okay, great. Okay, so I'm gonna take the card.
Oh, it's really strange because the tiger,
Yes.
the tiger is not moving his legs.
Ah. Yeah, and now it's better now.
Ah, yes, it's better. Okay.
Yeah, but it's the animation. We don't have to work on that right now
I know,
because
I know.
because we're going to change the. So I suggest that Damien, you go through the maze.
Yes, I'm already in the maze.
Okay, once you're in the maze with your other character, you go to the second floor or third floor with the second floor with the big open space.
Yeah.
Okay.
I keep
I'm
forgetting.
opening the door of the open space.
I keep forgetting where the boiler room is.
It's not on the second floor. It's on the third floor.
Something happened.
What?
Disconnected due to error. Timeout.
No.
Really?
Yep.
Okay.
Damien, are you still connected?
I'm still connected. Yes.
Okay. So you should reconnect, Eric.
Okay. Just a sec. And that's with both my characters, so
Yeah, maybe it's
maybe it's on my end.
yes.
But we'll have to figure out to define a proper message.
Yeah.
as a-
Okay, I'm back in, and everything seems to be working. So, for the maze, you're going to want to go left, straight, and then tell me
Right.
for further intersection.
Someone has the cards. I'm looking for it.
Yes, I have a card if necessary.
Can you put them into Slack, please?
Yeah, I can.
Yes, thank you.
I don't know if I can put two files. No, maybe
Yes,
one
yes.
by one.
No, you can. You can put two at the same time. I'm gonna find them. I think I'm gonna find them. I'm very close, but not yet. Tell me when you posted it.
Paste did not work.
Okay,
So,
I have them. It's
you have
okay.
them?
Yeah, it's okay. So I'm gonna find this
Paste,
one.
did not work.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Whoa, that's small. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, not that one.
Eric, do I go? I have an intersection. Do I go right or straight? Straight?
Yep.
Okay.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fuck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. When you are in front of an hatch, you're gonna sell the hatch to Eric, and I'm gonna tell you the card.
Mm-hmm.
Well, it's the 8 of diamonds, but You're a bit busy.
Okay, so I am in front of a match. So I have dash.
Yep.
Dash 4 dots.
Okay.
And dash 2 dots.
Dash 2 dots, you said?
For the last one.
Okay. Just dash for the first one.
Yes.
That's a T. Okay. Dash 4. That's number 6. 2. G6D.
While he's opening it, Damien, you can find the 8 of diamonds.
8 of diamonds. Alright. I'm looking at it.
Okay, it should be opening.
Yeah,
Okay, great.
he's with me.
I'm connecting to the computer.
Okay, great.
And in parallel, I'm moving inside the maze.
Tell me when you are going to enable them.
It will be at 0, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Oh yes, the little bubbles completely disappeared. Yeah, that's great. The next card is the one on top of my list. Is the Ace of Diamonds.
Sorry,
the Ace of Diamonds.
Of diamond. Okay. I'm moving a bit inside the maze.
Yes.
So, Ace of Diamond.
Eric.
Yep.
Now that we saw that the opening hatches are working. Yeah, open them all.
Yes, I need to add a delay between because you can activate hatch very quickly.
Yeah, but right now it's okay.
Yeah, true, but it's not.
No, but
realistic.
we will work on the challenges a bit later. And
Yeah.
for instance, I think that you can't open too many hatches because it raised the alarm level.
Mm-hmm.
So actually, if you look at the next the new design for the challenges, the whole hatch system will sort of change, where you won't just want to open hatches, you'll also want to close some to manage oxygen flow. And basically the idea is that it's going to be a 3-person job, where the manager sees the oxygen. So the manager sees where the hatches are on the map. He does not see the acrobat on the map. The acrobat has to describe the numbers on the walls and on the hatches that the manager can see where he is. And he has an oxygen meter. So he also has to tell the manager how much oxygen there is, and the manager has to tell the hacker which hatches to open and close to make sure that oxygen is getting from different inlets to where the acrobat currently is.
So the manager can't see where he is in the maze.
We need to test it.
Yeah,
but that's the idea.
Yeah, but, yeah, I like it.
Maybe.
Left, by the way.
Yes, maybe because for many reasons, communication could be not communication, but geolocalization could be unavailable in the maze.
Yeah. Yep.
Second laser in 3, 2, 1, 0.
Thank you. And the next one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Okay.
Eric, right or left?
Left.
Thanks.
So, see, it'll become a bit more interesting where you have to say there's tunnel B52-31A on the left and 36B-A_4 on the right. Which one do I take?
Yeah, your ideas about the maze are really good.
Yeah, you remember when we were speaking about the changes to reset the alarm level, that we have a very long password with only one chance? That's the same idea behind it. The next card is the Two of Hearts.
And straight ahead.
Right.
Take your time, since Damir, take your time. Go to the maze through the maze because I need to. I'm gonna need to wait for you in anyway.
Yeah. Third laser in 3, 2, 1, go. No, sorry. No, there is a very strange connection.
You forget. Okay, that's not the right one.
Okay, so in 3, 2, 1, 0.
Okay. And the vault door is closed. It's locked.
I have an idea about the lasers. Because Aurélien discussed last week about the risk to recognize the pattern of lasers.
Yeah.
And I think we could simply add laser emitters where there is voids. Because normally the lasers are regularly set up.
Okay, yeah, so what you mean is the emitters are always all there, but which laser is actually on or not changes.
Exactly.
Yeah, good idea. I'm adding that into the.
Yeah.
And that way, and also removing the fact that the emitters are at an angle. Which
yes. Yeah, I started to remove the angles.
Ah, perfect. Thanks.
But I will finish when it will. It is not priority.
Yeah, for sure.
And maybe it will be way simpler to have both vertical and horizontal emitters for any laser.
I agree.
Okay. Good. So straight. Yeah.
And then left.
Eric, is he far from the exit?
I'd say he's about halfway.
Okay.
Just a bit more than halfway.
Okay. I've added the ticket.
Thanks.
I'm gonna check something. I'm checking about my IP address changes. Okay. Yeah, no, we don't need that, because I was about to say, yeah, maybe we should put a domain name resolution for the IP, but since it's only temporary.
Yeah.
Okay. So, right or left, Eric, please?
It will be right.
Okay, I've just crashed my controller. Okay.
What do you mean? You crashed your controller?
Last week, I've broken my Xbox controller, and
ouch!
I have faux contact.
Yeah.
In the plug, so I have to touch
bummer.
the cable at the same time. Yeah, I was saying to Aurélien, maybe I should buy another one. And don't forget we have a few ones in the box.
Yep.
I'm going
That,
to
and you
check
can
it.
actually use the PS4 controllers. The button mapping's the same.
Yeah, but I don't want to break it too.
Good answer.
Yeah, I have cats walking on my desk very often, so.
Yes. Right or left, Eric?
Right.
Nice.
And you can't run into the maze. Okay, we almost have 10 seconds delay between my computer and the stream.
Well, we're also running it through restream.io, right?
Yeah.
Which adds maybe 3 seconds.
Yeah. No, but I'm saying that because I see the timer on the top right.
Ah, nice.
And yeah, 9 seconds. It's a 9 seconds delay.
Okay.
Well, my 9.5, because my eyes needs to make the to go from one screen to the other one. So yes, it's 9.5 seconds delay, and it's even worse with YouTube.
Yeah.
With YouTube, it's no. Yeah, it's 25 seconds.
Woo! Nice.
Yes. With YouTube, it's a big one. And I'm not even in a 1080p. Okay. With 1080, it's 30 seconds.
Damn.
Let me think. We're gonna need both hackers into the open space.
You mean like this?
I don't know. I can't see you.
Oh, wait. I'm right in front of you.
No, but I can't.
No, it's me.
Ah, it's you.
Yeah,
it's me.
I can't.
Yeah, forget it.
I reached the power room.
Yes, you can turn off the power.
The power.
Yes, and I'm opening the door.
I created a ticket at almost 8 o'clock because I had a collateral damage. The power button, the message associated with the power button is not changing.
Yeah, so that, yeah.
After the click, so and I can see it again.
Anyway, we need to change all the messages. They are mixed French English, so we need to put them all in English.
Yeah, true.
Actually, we need to set up translation.
Yeah.
System as well.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
We already have a system to define several languages.
So do I cross the? Oh, and we need the colliders on the ceiling because I'm losing the view each time.
There should be a collider on the ceiling there.
Well, if I look at the stream.
I don't have it open, but I trust you.
Yeah, it's I can't see anything.
I have one of the cards and one of the computer managing.
Yep, I'm looking for the other one.
Who's the manager? It's you, Eric?
Yep.
Okay.
Just a sec. I cannot find the other computer. Where is it?
You remember which card?
Nope. I'm just going around looking for the messages.
You have eight of hearts.
Okay, it's the 8 of hearts.
Oh, it's right here. Got it.
Okay.
They're right in front of each other.
I'm gonna cheat with the debug option.
Yeah. I mean, we know this works by now, so.
Yeah, but we need to test it again. Okay.
Yeah, we need to test it again because I made some changes.
No, it isn't here. Wait, 8 of hearts, you said?
8 of hearts.
Ah, that's 8 of diamonds. Sorry. See, there, I would have triggered the alarm and killed us all. Well, killed us.
I think we really need the colliders on the furniture.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Aurélien, please.
The 9 of hearts. Is it
Eight.
in another room?
Eight of hearts.
Yes. I was just saying that I found the 9.
Okay.
Could it be in another room?
No.
No.
Could it be missing?
That would be
No.
surprising.
Yeah, because I tested it, let's say, 12 times today. So
No, it's here.
okay.
So camera there, and I can see the pattern.
Okay. I'm listening to
So
you.
it works. Let's see. You want to go to your left, across to the wall, in the corner,
Okay.
and then you want to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, sorry, 3 to the white one.
Ah, and then now I've lost the 3. You said
To the white one. Yep.
1, 2, and 3. Okay.
Then you're going to turn right and go 2 to the white one,
Okay. 1, 2. Okay.
and then 1 to the black. To the right.
Right. Okay.
Yep.
I was about to go left. Okay.
Then you go left by 2 to the black.
Yes.
Again, left by 2 to the black.
Okay.
Then left 1 to the white.
Yes.
Then right 2 to the white.
Yes.
And right 5 to the black.
Ooh, 5. Okay.
Yep.
1, 2, 3, 4. To the black, you said.
Yep.
5. Okay.
Right 1 to the white.
Okay.
Left 2 to the white.
Okay.
Right 1 to the black.
Okay.
Left 3 to the white.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Just a sec. Then 1.
It's a bit stressful.
Left 5 to the black.
5 to the... Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Okay, wait for this one. Left 7 to the white.
7.
Yep.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7.
Left 1 to the black.
Okay.
Right 2 to the black.
Okay.
Right 1 to the white.
Okay.
And then it's going to be left 2 to the white.
1 and 2. Okay.
Then left 2 to the white.
Left to 1, 2. Okay.
Right to the wall.
Right to the wall.
Then right to the corner.
Okay. Okay.
You still haven't fixed the camera position, so I think you need to go almost all the way.
I'm gonna check. Ah! I'm losing the... Okay, so at least at the beginning I can do it. Yeah, it's all the way.
It's all the way, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
And then if I can see it, wait a sec.
Yeah, it's to the door.
Yeah, it's straight to the door.
Yeah.
Just be careful not to overshoot.
Me overshooting? Okay, I have the digicode. I'm gonna try it. without cheating. Okay, I have the 4 at the right. No, the 4 is right, so I'm gonna just do 4, 5, 4, 5, 6.
Is it the same as the other one?
No.
Well, it could be.
Yes.
The chance would be pretty low.
4, 5.
Yes.
Oh,
Yeah,
it's,
true.
5, 4, 8, 9. Okay. 5, 4, 8, 9. 5, 4, 8 at the right position. So 5, 4, 8, 0. 5, 4, 8, 0. And it's open.
Hi there.
Great.
Ah. What are you doing here? How
I
did
use
you,
wall hacks.
you walk through walls?
Right, the back wall here, if you jump, you get to the corridor. If you don't jump, you fall to your death.
Okay.
No.
Yeah, but we haven't put all the colliders yet, so.
Well, no, actually, it's only if you do the collider disabling trick
Whoa.
with F3. There is a collider there.
Yes, but there's something strange if you look at the stream.
Ah, what's happening? There's something strange in the neighborhood.
Yes, look at this. If you can look at the stream.
Yep.
I'm not moving, and sometimes, even if I'm not moving, maybe I moved a bit. Yeah, it's
Collider issue, maybe?
yeah, there's an occlusion issue.
Ah, okay.
Download is done. I'm gonna trigger the alarm to see if the plates are triggering the alarms. Okay?
Okie dokie.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I'm running. Okay, at least it's triggering the vibrations on my...
Yeah, and in the future, we have vibration for everybody.
Oh, this feels nice.
The camera, Aurélien said the camera is an object. I don't know why, but the camera is an object. Okay. I don't know. Okay, we've been disconnected. Can we reconnect? Is the issue was corrected or not?
Yes, we can. Yes, but I created another one. But I created 2 tickets about initialization of 2 variables. But yes, we can reconnect.
Okay, I'm reconnected. Yeah. I'm stuck.
Okay.
No, it's still that. If you look, there's still that weird collider issue for some reason.
Yeah, and sometimes it's here, sometimes it's not. I don't know.
Who is connected right now?
Manager, Hacker1, and Technician.
Okay. Okay, that's good.
Another thing we might want to do is if you disconnect, you can only reconnect as the same character.
Yeah, why not?
Well,
Yes, yeah, okay. We could select by default.
Yeah.
Okay.
And actually prevent you from choosing someone else.
Good point.
maybe, yeah.
Well, I mean, swapping roles could be, it could be too easy for some situations.
Yes, good point. Yeah. Because you could close the game by yourself.
Yeah, switch characters.
Yeah. Why it would be easier?
No.
Well, because then you can you can take a screenshot of what one character sees and then have it as another character, that sort of stuff.
Yes, he could cheat.
Yeah, it's not really cheating for me. For me, that's a good idea to be able to reconnect, because if someone has to disconnect for personal reason, and that's the
yeah, another one could
the technician, for example. Yeah.
Yeah, true.
Okay.
So I'm just putting, when reconnecting, put the disconnected or last character as default.
Maybe we could propose by default.
Yeah,
select the player in the list,
yeah.
but
yeah, you can change it, but by default,
Good point.
Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna go through the issues we had on board
Okay.
on the 2 tests.
I'm looking at it in parallel.
There was okay. I'm gonna change it from on the up. Where is it? Ah, yeah, it's I need to go into it with Chrome. Project dashboard. Come on, guy. Okay. I'm gonna show that on the stream once I'm connected. Okay, and if I put Chrome visible, we can have the issues. So we had I'm going into the 2 tests.
Yep.
Issues.
All right.
We had the bug 112 error in the manager's UI when accessing the cameras.
We had an error because one component was not available.
Do we put details? 'Cause currently, that doesn't ring a bell.
For example, when it is when the camera are reactivated.
Yeah.
Sometimes they had there were an issue because the script that it was calling was inactivated. For example, if your cameras are not displayed,
Okay.
the script being attached to this component was not accessible. So what I did is that I put the script managing the cameras on Manager UI. I put it at the root of Manager UI, so it is available every time.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
So cameras can be updated even if they are not displayed. So
Yeah, great.
so
And
no,
Eric, you didn't had any issues with the cameras?
No, none that I could see.
So I'm gonna close the bug. Okay.
right?
Sounds good.
143 left stick movement no more working in Digicode UI. Well, this one is corrected for sure. It's working. So this one is done. Okay. 151. When disconnecting and reconnecting, players don't get the character close menu. That one has been corrected. We just tested it. So
Yep.
It's okay. Add the rewired map for mobile environment. I've tested the. I've built it. It's working.
And you okay?
You
not tell anything.
Yeah, because I did it. I think I did that this weekend, and it's working, but the controller is crap.
Yes, there is.
Actually, it's the camera movement that is a bit strange, but other than that, it's working. The issue is that we can't have any. We don't have the B button, for example, to choose something into the GG code, for example. So we can only walk.
Yeah, true.
Yeah. I know that you only put it, but it's working.
Yeah, exactly.
At least on iOS, it's working. Eric, did you manage to test it on? No, you didn't manage to test it on
Nope.
Android. Okay, maybe I'm gonna do a build on Android this week.
Okay.
Yeah.
For you guys, but it's working on iOS.
Okay, very good. Do you know? Was the display of the controllers fine or not?
No, no, it's in big circles on top of the
Okay.
yeah, but
I created a ticket for that because basically it is working for HD and HD basically. But I tested and it is not working with other aspect ratios or definition.
yeah, I saw the ticket. Yeah, but I'm gonna put that one as close because the main one, the very first one, is okay. We need to work on the usability, but I think it's going to need the new animations and the first-person player.
Yeah.
Because
sure.
it doesn't make sense otherwise. So nice
Okay.
one.
But I don't know. Maybe Eric, could you have a look at the?
I will have a look.
I'm gonna build it on Android and put it on the Roblox, so you can test it. The cheat mode flying camera hidden in prods. This one we can't test it now. Instantiate the 156 instantiate touch controller UI.
Yes, basically what I've done is that now the touch controller UI is instantiated only if necessary.
Okay.
So there is a specific script that defines that checks if it is a handheld device. If so, it is instantiated. So the good point is that neither for server or normal computer, I would say, there is nothing about touch controller anytime.
Yeah. So but it's working.
So it's better than having it in the game.
Yeah.
Loading it in memory, then destroying it.
Yeah.
So.
It's way better. I've closed the ticket because at least it's working since I had it on iOS and
Good.
Yeah. So the 2 tests has been done. Okay, I'm looking at the doing if there's some important one. Add vertical colliders to the scene. It's still work in progress, I guess. Remove global value. Okay. Chat window for players. You haven't worked on it, Eric?
No, it's
okay. So we don't have to test it. Okay, for the to-dos and the bugs, the power switch UI not changing after click on it that you created it a bit earlier, Damien. CCTV hack state not reset for new session. What?
But basically, when new session, I mean, you have the same executable, the same game executable working, and you have been disconnected because the game failed, and you restart a new game. Basically, you restart a new session inside the same executable. So, the CCTV hack state, it is when because for now we do not have the change which enable to hack the CCTV system. So it is the event is loaded, but for when the new challenge will be available. So
okay. So yeah, it's not it's not reset. Okay, and the same for the power grid state. No, for the power grid state, what does
basically, I changed things in the code, so I forgot to implement the reset value when you change the session.
Okay. So I see.
It's the these free tickets. They are collector of damage.
no problem. You correct a bug, you create 2 other ones. So
yeah, it's really easy to solve, but it was kind of too late to solve.
No problem. Yeah, you have it. Okay. The remove messages manager instance calls in challenges script.
Basically, this one it's a way to modular to have a code more modular.
Okay, great. Okay.
Because it's too.
Yeah, I get it. Yeah, good. Maze issue, modify the mesh collider for box colliders that haven't been done. No? I remember that's the issue I have when I'm in the maze, that I'm teleported on a different path.
Yeah, and I did today also.
Ah, you got it too? Yeah.
Yeah, several times.
Yeah, it's annoying.
Kind of.
Notification dismiss button doesn't function, so no work was done on that, so that's still here. UI notification hide reveal doesn't go back to hide. I don't know what.
No, that has not been fixed.
Okay.
It didn't happen once, but then it happened again. So
okay.
Yeah, it's gonna need some testing.
So the character position on maps sometimes are misaligned. You are working on it right now.
Yes,
yeah,
it
so
is
I'm gonna put it
nearly
into
fixed.
doing. I'm putting it into doing.
Yeah, thanks.
UI sidebar not working. Yeah.
Oh, that's the next one.
Yeah. Hidden remote player. We didn't have that.
Nope.
Okay, we're gonna keep it. Network disconnect. We had that, but since you had network disconnect on both of your computers, that's an issue on your side. If we can't.
Yeah.
We can't do disconnection of a player. We didn't have.
I mean, one of the questions could be: is there a way for it to be so that when there's a disconnection, there's a bit of a buffer time, and it tries to reconnect automatically?
No, if he's disconnecting, no. If he's already doing that.
Okay.
So if you're disconnected, the server lost too many packets.
Okay.
Okay, the push to talk. Okay, those are not bugs, so we're gonna.
I have a suggestion.
Oh, that's a bug here. Button to activate the GD code is not appearing. Yeah, I'm putting that on top because that's the bug we had today. On very top because that's an important one.
Yeah, maybe we can put urgent on it.
Yes, I'm gonna put urgent on it.
I kind of know what's going on, but
yeah, but it's just a matter of putting it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know. Maybe we could create a new column because we have some to-dos that are more let's say tickets. Problems we had one time, and we have to check if it occurs again.
So punctual bugs.
Yeah, I don't know. It's not a quarantine bug or.
How about we call them one time?
Okay, one time. Okay, one time. Okay, time issue. I have too many things on my keyboard.
And it could be 2 or 3 times, but it's it's the right notion.
Creating a new label. Which color?
Yes,
I'm going to put that into that color. Okay, create. No, okay. One time issue. Okay. Okay, and that's not how we do it. I'm not doing it. Yes, it's how we do it. I'm putting it here. Okay, and the one-time issue. I'm gonna put the. You can still hear me, guys?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah. Hidden remote player.
Hidden remote player. Network disconnection of a player. Which one? Only happened one? That's only those 3. I'm gonna put it
here. Those 3, yes.
Okay, I'm gonna put it here. Okay. Good idea. If it happens again, we have to work on it. But if it never happens again, we can't say much. Okay, so I think that's okay for the Heist testing session.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sounds about right.
Eric, maybe we're gonna offline. We're gonna go offline now from the stream. We have a few things to see anyway.
We can discuss about
the map.
The map.
Yeah. For the viewers, we are working on the map of the changes. on our own to make the game a bit harder to play. So that's it for the stream, for the testing of the game.
Yep.
Big work in the next weeks will be to change from a third-person player to a first-person player. So that's going to be a bit different on, especially in mobile. This character animation that we have right now is only temporary. It has a few issues that we want to keep on the final version. So that's the big work we have to do on the next session. So thank you very much. Yeah.
But that will enable us to work on lots and lots of other things that are currently sort of stuck.
Yeah. So thanks a lot for watching, and next test session will be next week, next Monday at 9. Bye guys.
Bye guys.
Ciao.